Good morning students. Welcome back to English online class. Today I will explaining you the summary of the second chapter, The Silver Lining. The Silver Lining is a short story by Chaman Nehal. He is the author of novels, reviews, articles and works of criticism. The Silver Lining is taken from volume of short stories entitled The Weird Dance. So students, the proverbs every cloud has a silver lining means one should never feel hopeless. One should never feel hopeless because difficult time always lead to better days. The same thing is reflected in this story. So now start. The Silver Lining describes a story of a handicapped child and their parents. Unhappy moments until a guest who is similarly handicapped brings a ray of hope into their child's life. Chaman Nehal narrates his experiences during his stay at the private guest house in one of the hill resort. Okay, where one of his friends had recommended. It convert it convert all the facilities that generally lacked in advertisements, and it was a silent resort. The hostess was Mrs. Bhandari from South, married to North Indian. He was dark with bony limbs and her complexion dark, yet pleasant looking and kind. They had a daughter, Pramodini, about 8 years old, with a Chinese crop dressed in jeans and high boots. She was a center of attraction to the author. On arriving at the resort, he was welcomed by the warm and friendly affection of Mrs. Bhandari. Pramodini remained aloof of a bit timid, unaware of the child's disability. That situation brought a painful look on the faces of the Bhandaris. The daughter's physically handicapped conditions was explained to the author. So students, apparently the parents faced such a awkward moment every time a guest arrived and the child totally aghast. While the situation was being explained, her only means of communication was a gesture made with her hand. Okay. Chaman suggests the parents to inform every new guest in a typed letter scaled in an envelope. The letter was a brief note on the child's handicapped situation and had a request that the visitor should refrain from approaching Pramodini and asking her any questions. So, Chaman relates a incident when on one day there arrived a strange visitor, Mr. David. He was barely 25 and had an unkempt appearance. After reading the notice, the scaled envelope about Pramodini, he had rushed out into the courtyard and darted out towards her. Mr. David's sudden impulse, her shocked the parents, who thought that he was being rude. That moment of curiosity in the air was broken by the sound of a gun exploding, shrill laughter. It was a wonder and amazement for the Bhandaris. David was a youth who too was deaf and dumb, but sent abroad to an institute where he had learned the skill of communication and had returned to India to open a school for the handicapped children. He was eager to make Pramodini his first student, and disclosing this truth to the Bhandaris thrilled her parents. Their joy knew no bounds, and they were filled with gratitude towards Mr. David. So the story ends with the description of Mrs. Bhandari as the happiest woman in the world, and her laugh expressed as a carefree girl. So students, now revise this chapter, The Silver Lining, in detail and write the word meaning which given below in your English literature copy with black and blue pen. So students, stay home, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.